CEO Boeing David Calhoun mengakui ada sejumlah pihak internal perusahaannya yang telah memperingatkan terkait adanya isu keselamatan pesawat. Hal ini diakuinya setelah adanya sejumlah insiden yang menimpa Boeing. Dalam sesi bersama Senat Amerika Serikat, Calhoun menyebut ada sesuatu yang tidak beres pada perusahaan yang ia pimpin. Ia menyebut sejumlah karyawan yang menyampaikan kekhawatiran tentang kualitas keselamatan dalam pesawat Boeing menghadapi tindakan keras dari perusahaan seperti peringatan hingga pemecatan. Sejumlah whistleblower mulai muncul di publik setelah serangkaian kecelakaan yang menimpa pesawat Boeing. Beberapa jam sebelum pertemuan Senat dan Boeing, Sam Mohawk yang merupakan inspektur jaminan kualitas Boeing di Washington, menjadi karyawan Boeing terbaru yang mengumumkan klaim mengenai masalah keselamatan kepada publik. Ketua Senat Amerika Serikat Richard Blumenthal mengatakan dirinya ragu dengan komitmen Boeing untuk melakukan perubahan setelah terjadi serangkaian kecelakaan. Blumenthal menyebut ada sejumlah whistleblower yang mendapat ancaman pemecatan karena melaporkan kekhawatirannya tentang komponen pesawat yang hilang kepada atasannya.
After whistleblower John Barnett raised his concerns about missing parts, he reported that his supervisor called him 19 times in one day and 21 times another day. And when Barnett asked his supervisor about those calls, he was told, quote, "I'm going to push you until you break." He broke. When whistleblower Sam Mohawk raised concerns about Boeing's concealment of non-conforming parts, he was put in charge of completing corrective action investigations with an impossible deadline, and then threatened with formal discipline, including firing. He couldn't meet that deadline. When I hear about these experiences, I wonder whether Boeing really wants change.
Anggota Senat Amerika Serikat Hawley mencecar CEO Boeing David Calhoun terkait kenaikan gajinya sebagai pimpinan perusahaan yang fantastis. Hawley mempertanyakan komitmen Calhoun untuk memperbaiki keselamatan pesawat Boeing.
The truth is, Mr. Calhoun, you're not focused on safety, you're not focused on quality, you're not focused on transparency. All of this is in the record, but I think actually you're focused on exactly what you were hired to do, which is that you're cutting corners. You are eliminating safety procedures. You are sticking it to your employees. You are cutting back jobs because you're trying to squeeze every piece of profit you can out of this country. This company. You're strip mining it. You're strip mining Boeing. It was one of the greatest American companies ever. It has employed thousands of people in my state. And you are strip mining it for profit, shareholder value, and you're being rewarded for it. You got a huge raise, a huge increase. So it's working out great for you. For the American people, they're in danger. For your workers, they're in peril. For your whistleblowers, they literally fear for their lives, but you're getting compensated like never before. If anybody's coming out of this deal good, it's you. Why haven't you resigned?
Senator, I'm sticking this through. I'm proud of having taken the job. I'm proud of our
this
safety record, and I am very proud of our Boeing people.
You're proud of this safety record?
I am proud of every action we have taken.
Every action you've taken?
Yes, sir.